watanio Yaile Mutongoi ni Ndongoi ya Waipa Kalonzo Musyoka Mathakarua na Eugene Wamalo kati wa atongoi ange omonde ne makomana na mwesie vamwe na alama vithukiwe ndini wa maandamano majenzi ndini wa chathi cha Kulilikana kanisani wa Nairobi Baptist. Ainena Kalonzo ni wasa Kana Matuku 25 ma Mwei wa June nonginya malilikanwe ta muthenya wi mwana Kulilikana Amuika alama ise mathayo mo miatianioni ino ayendekethia mwako wa nthia Kenya kana monument ya Amuika alama ise mathayo mo kwakwa na kuelezea Ngumbau ilasia yumitie na matailite kula vandi ya Kenya. Susan Kavili na mauvo.
Mutongoi wa chama cha Waipa Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka Niwathingiliila Kana Kila Matuku 25 ma Mwei wa Thanthatu Maile Kwithiwa Sikuku Kulilikana Amuika emergency ala Mowaiwe Ivindani ya Maandamano Mwakani wa 2024 Aiweta kana Amuika asuni Ngumbau ya Kenya.
We have pronounced ourselves very clearly that the 25th of June anniversaries will be national holidays. In fact, the additional thing is there should be a monument that should be constructed in memory of these young Kenyans who lost their lives, and yet we continue to see these atrocities continue. We hope that Mr. William Ruto, having just recently come from the G7, that he will have acquainted himself with some of the international values that accompany countries that proclaim democracy and the rule of law. That he will have been reminded that Article 37 of the Kenyan Constitution, the right to hold peaceful demonstrations, is a basic right in this country.
Ainenea kanisani wa Nairobi Baptist Ivindani kala wakwatiania na misiba mwena atongoi ange chathini cha Kulilikana ala Mowaiwe Ivindani ya Maandamano Matuku 25 mwezi wa Thanthatu mwaka wa 2024 Kalonzo inginwa weta kana iseso ya kuiva andu ala matiwe ni thayu kana maumia Ivindani ya Maandamano Yaile kwithiwa na umelu.
There will be monetary compensation which must also be administered in a transparent manner. We still hold the view that the body constitutionally responsible for this is not office of the president, but the Kenya National Human Rights Commission, so that there will be seen to be equity and justice.
Kavindani kaumunini wa president wa teneno wa Kyama obisa mavolisi yulu wa kutumia vinya mwingi Ivindani ya Maandamano alama vani we utwaiwa wakana watu mwaki.
We do not therefore expect the police to be trigger happy again next Thursday, the 25th, because if they are, they will be held responsible, each one of them. We want Kenyans to actually get note of every trigger happy policeman, or of course their superiors, because persons holding the highest responsibility will be held to accountable. These are basic things. Therefore, we do not expect chaos in Kenya perpetrated by the Kenyan police.
We want to demand that this government allows the families of the victims and friends to honor these heroes in peace, to honor them in dignity. And we do not want to see any trigger-happy policemen again causing loss of life or any injuries. We have had threats coming from this government. We heard the president himself speak, warning people against coming out on the 25th. P.S. Omolo, we had him warn, and now we're hearing all the Kenya Kwanza or UDA politicians across the country issuing warnings against peaceful demonstrations on the 25th. That will be Thursday.
Ngilivotia bilingwa mauvo neta wa Susan Kavili.